I'm Phil Clegg, the Manufacturing Engineering Manager here at Texecom. I'm pleased to share an upgrade that's making a big difference in our quality control. This is our AOI system, or Automatic Optical Inspection, integrated into our PCB hand assembly lines. The system is equipped with a powerful 60 megapixel high definition Sony camera that gives us real-time verification of all hand inserted components. We place over 6 million components annually by hand, and this system ensures every single one is in the right place, identifying any missing or misplaced parts to the team immediately. With this level of precision, we can catch errors before they move any further down the production line. By preventing defects early on, we're not just saving time, we're giving live feedback to the team, ensuring the highest build quality for every product. At Texecom, we're dedicated to delivering top quality products, and this through-hole AOI system is just one way we're making that happen.